Hello everybody, I'm CARCRAZEDKID and I'm with the owner of this Avanti II. So, for a quick summarization, what is this car all about?
This car was the savior of Studebaker Corporation. It's a car that I fell in love with in 1963 when it came out, and I finally got the opportunity to own one. So to me, it's an interesting piece of American automotive history and a beautiful one at that.
So what made you fall in love with this car when you were 14 years old?
The styling. I didn't know too much about the interior. I knew that they originally came with an available supercharged engine, and that they set a world land speed record for a production car in 1963. But it was the styling that sold. You know, it's got a standard Studebaker short rear deck, long hood styling. You know, if you look at a Studebaker Hawk, it has, while the car looks different, it's got that same short rear deck, long hood.
So what about this little bulge right here? What is this for?
It's asymmetrical design. It simply lines up with the instrument panel. It has no function other than that. The car was designed by Raymond Loewy. It's got a bit of an aviation flair with the levers on the console, and then up above the mirror there's switches in the overhead like an aircraft.
So how long have you had this car for?
I've had it 6 years. I finally got the opportunity to own the car that I wanted basically all my life, you know, and didn't really have the opportunity before because of work and life and everything else, you know.
So is there any other interesting facts you want to tell us about this car?
First American car to come standard with front disc brakes. Beat the Corvette by 2 years.
That was it for this Avanti II. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. And thank you to the owner for letting us check out such a beautiful car.
Thank you for coming. I love showing the car. You know, it's a rare car and a lot of people have never seen one. So thank you very much.